This problem is for white to make a ko in order to have a chance to stay alive. So if black moves first, black can just destroy this eye and there will be no ko. White can only have one real eye at most. So if white moves first, white will have to use the corner in order to create ko's. If white plays this to increase eye space, then this is obviously not enough eye space. Right? So that's what's really interesting and even magical about ko. It can give really small eye space a chance to live. So the correct answer for white is this. Right? You want to kind of set up this kind of ko. And 1, 2, 3, white actually already succeeds, right? Because this real eye is guaranteed right here. So maybe black 2 should play here first. This eye is guaranteed. And black will have to destroy this eye. But in the meantime, white can play this. Black will capture. And then white will capture back. Black cannot connect, right? If black connects, then white will capture again. The stakes will now be much higher for black, right? If black connects at number 10. If white succeeds, white will be able to capture all of these black stones. So maybe not a good idea for black to connect. And if white wins eventually, white will be able to make a real eye here on the 2-1 point where number 6 was. So number 6 and the 1-4 point here are real eyes, where these other two are fake eyes. So that's how you start a ko in the corner. I think that is the main takeaway here. You can start a ko this way even though there's not enough eye space. Because the corner is very special and because black has a cutting point here, white will be able to start a ko in order to have a chance to live. Thank you for watching.